Hello everyone, welcome to Study Time. In this video, we are going to see Class 4 English, Unit 6, Chapter 12, The Milkman's Cow. Textbook solutions and explanation. We are going to see the story explanation, textbook solutions with the grammar part of this chapter. The Milkman's Cow. This is a story about a milkman and his cow. The milkman's cow was in a bad mood. It sat in the middle of the road and refused to move. So you can see the cow of milkman, which is in a very bad mood, and it sat in the middle of the road and refused to move. The milkman begged the cow to get up. The children are waiting for their milk to help them grow strong. Please get up, he pleaded. He pulled and tugged and prayed, but the cow wasn't going anywhere that day. So he's asking the cow to get up, but it is not moving. Along came a policeman, his buttons and buckles gleaming bright. Hump, he said, twirling his long mustache, I will show you how to do it right. So he said that I will try. The policeman and the milkman pulled and tugged and prayed, but the cow wasn't going anywhere that day. So after trying, the cow was not moving. Along came a grocer with bags of potatoes and peas. He said, I will move this cow with the greatest of ease. The grocer, the policeman, and the milkman pulled and tugged and prayed. But the cow wasn't going anywhere that day. So, after trying, again, it was not moving. The grocer, the policeman, and the milkman tried, but it was not moving. Along came a wrestler, his muscles gleaming in the sun. He said, I have the strength of 10 horses, so this should be fun. The wrestler, the grocer, the policeman, and the milkman pulled and tugged and prayed. But the cow wasn't going anywhere that day. Along came the ice cream man, jingling his cart. Cool down, cool down. It can't be too hard. The ice cream man, wrestler, the grocer, the policeman, and the milkman. So all of them tried together. Still, the cow did not move from his place. Then came this little boy. He held out a sheaf of tasty greens. The cow began to chew. He slowly led her to the side, for he knew what to do. The grocer clapped. The policeman twirled his stick in joy. The wrestler grinned. The ice cream man whooped at the cleverness of the boy. The milkman happily clattered his pail. So, seeing this boy's activity, everyone wondered and they congratulated the boy's cleverness. Being kind and loving is best, for force and strength can fail. So, whenever force and strength can fail, being kind and loving can succeed in life. So, this story is written by Vidya Pradhan. Next, we'll see new words from this chapter. Milkman, one who sells milk. Example sentences, I have paid the milkman this month. Next, mood, meaning is state of mind. Example sentences, I am not in the mood to argue. Next, middle, at the center of something. Example, the car stopped in the middle of the road. Next, refused, meaning is to reject. Example sentences, he refused my offer of help. Next, the policeman, a member of police force. Example sentences, the policeman arrested the thief. Next, the grocer, one who sells food items. That grocer never overcharges. Next, wrestler, one who fights. The stronger wrestler won the game. So next, ice cream is frozen dessert. Example sentences, children love ice cream. Prayed, to thank God. Example sentences, all students prayed to God. Reading is fun. So we are going to see few question answers from this chapter. First question, why did the cow refuse to get up? The cow refused to get up because she was in a bad mood. Next, name those who tried to make the cow move. The milkman, policeman, grasser, wrestler, and ice cream man tried to make the cow move. Next, third question, who finally made the cow get up and how? A little boy finally made the cow get up. He made the cow chew the sheaf of tasty green. This made the cow get up and move to the side. Next, we are going to discuss few questions. First question, as I walked to my school, I saw. So here you are going to continue the story of the cow on the road. So each child can say one line till the story is complete. Student 1 says, after eating the grass, the cow went to the other street to take the rest. Student 2 says, one man came and started beating it. He woke up in pain and started running after the cruel man. Next student says, the other people seeing the cow running after the man started beating her more. Next, fourth student says, one young man came and stopped the crowd from beating the cow. The cow was roaring in pain. The young man took it to the doctor immediately. So this is a story. You can play this in your school or at your home. Next, second question. We can make people to do more things with kindness than with cruelty or force. Do you agree? What do you think? Tell the class about a time when you were kind to an animal. So you're going to share your story where you were kind to an animal. One day while coming from school to home, I saw a puppy in the garbage shivering and cold. Her mother left him all alone over there with no food. I took him and gave him the little food I had from my lunch box. I gave him water in a bowl from my water bottle. As it was cold, I found a rag nearby with which I covered him to make him safe from the severe cold. So you can share your experiences how you helped the animal. Next, do you do an action always in the same way? How do you talk to visitors? How do you talk to your friends in the playground? How do you talk to your teacher in the class? I always talk with respect to others. Elders. I talk very informally to my friends in the playground. So I talk smartly with my teacher in the class. You can write your own answer. Next, filling the blanks using the words given at the end of sentences. See here, one sentence is given and option is given in the bracket. You are going to choose one correct answer from the words which are given. First question, insects can or cannot crawl on the wall. So insects can crawl on the wall. Next question, the grasser was able or unable to move the cow. The grasser was unable to move the cow. It was dash for the boy to make the cow get up. So it was easy for the boy to make the cow get up. Next, children dash walk on their heads. Can or cannot. Children cannot walk on their heads. Sometimes love and kindness may succeed where force will fail. Next question, we should be kind to animals. Next, simple present and simple past. First, you should know we have an exercise in this grammar. First, we will know what is simple present. Simple present is a verb tense which is used to show repetition, habit, or generalization. So it is just the base form of the verb. So I play tennis. So here play is simple present. Next, simple past. The simple past is a verb tense which is used to show that a completed action took place at a specific time in the past. So this usually it ends with ed or it takes some other form for few words. So we'll see an exercise for this. Here simple present tense words are given. You have to write the past tense for the words. So one is done for you. Pull, pulled. Lead, led. Come, came. Say, said. Begin, began. Know, knew. Learn, learnt. Grow, grew, pray, prayed, tug, tugged. So these words you have to take from the story Milkman's Cow. So this is easier one. Read and enjoy. So here is a text. We'll see what it is. There was an old man who said, "How shall I flee from that horrible cow? I will sit on the stile and continue to smile, which may soften the heart of the cow. Do you think if the man smiles at the angry cow, she will be kind to him? Yes, if the man smiles at the angry cow, she will be nice to him. So uh, if you want to succeed or if you want to win the heart of anybody, you have to use the positive kind action. So that is what this man has done. Next we'll see fun time. Complete what is missing in these drawings. What work do these men or women do? So here the picture you can draw and complete. So here you have to draw like this. So here you have to draw like this. So each and every picture you are going to complete. A milkman delivers milk. A grocer sells fruits and vegetables. A policeman, a policeman protects his citizens. An ice cream man sells ice cream. A wrestler is an athlete who fights for entertainment. So you have to complete this diagram like this. Next, picture story. Match pictures to the text and give an ending to the story by drawing the sixth picture. Give it a title. So here, picture is given. Match pictures. So we'll match first. This is a story about a man, donkey, and the little boy. So at first, the man rides on the donkey. So the donkey thinks that the man is heavy. Then, after some time, the boy rides on the donkey. So it thinks that he is young. Next, both of them got on the donkey. So it was sad because both were heavy. It could not carry, the donkey could not carry their weight. So it was sad. Then after some time, they both were walking with the donkey. So now the donkey is very happy. Next, after some time, what they did is they carried their donkey. So now the donkey thinks that they are strong. So after then they finally reached their home. So what would be the title of this story is The Man, the Boy and the Donkey. So chapter 12, unit 6, The Milkman's Cow ends here. Hope this video is useful and interesting and understanding. We'll see in the next video. Bye.